हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ जॉब्स रिलेटेड टू पावर बीआई डेवलपर रोल और बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस रोल से रिलेटेड। तो अगर आपके पास इस फील्ड में एक्सपीरियंस है देन दिस वीडियो इज अ मस्ट वॉच वीडियो। वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द कंपनीज एंड सैलरी एंड बेनिफिट्स दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग। वीडियो आगे बढ़े उससे पहले फॉर माय न्यू ऑडियंस लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। माई नेम इज हरीश सिंह। आई एम अ ब्लॉगर, अ यूट्यूबर एंड जॉब सर्च कंसल्टेंट एज वेल। एंड टाइम टू टाइम आपको अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू, इंस्टाग्राम पेज के थ्रू, फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराता रहता हूँ। तो इन फ्यूचर इफ यू डू नॉट वांट टू लूज आउट अ सिंगल जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी रिलेटेड टू डोमेन्स लाइक पावर बीआई डेवलपर, SQL डेवलपर, डेटा एनालिटिक्स और डेटा साइंस डोमेन, then subscribe my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram page and my Facebook page as well। और मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे ऑलरेडी एक डेली जॉब अपडेट की सीरीज चल रही है जहाँ पे मैं आपको इन डोमेन्स रिलेटेड जॉब्स अवेलेबल कराता रहता हूँ अलॉन्ग विद जॉब एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स। तो अगर आपने अभी तक वो चैनल फॉलो नहीं किया तो डू फॉलो इट राइट अवे। अब बढ़ते अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं। और अगर आपका इस वीडियो से रिलेटेड कोई सजेशन है यू कैन ऑल्सो शेयर योर सजेशन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। और अगर आप मुझसे कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं तो मेरे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स के लिंक्स भी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में अवेलेबल है, डू चेक दैट। और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मिल जाएंगे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे। नाउ बिफोर हेडिंग टू द लैपटॉप स्क्रीन जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आपको इस वीडियो का कंटेंट पसंद आता है, ये जॉब्स आपके लिए हेल्पफुल हैं, then do press the like button because your one like keeps me motivated to prepare new videos, write new blogs on my website and help my channel grow. So do press the like button. Now let's jump to the laptop screen and see what are the jobs available for this week.
तो फ्रेंड्स आगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं फॉर द रोल ऑफ पावर बीआई डेवलपर और बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस एनालिस्ट। फर्स्ट कंपनी इन द लिस्ट इज WM, hiring for Power BI analyst, experience 2 to 3 years, job location is in Gurgaon, salary 5 to 8 lakhs per annum, education bachelor's degree in computer science, software engineering or related discipline preferred. Roles and responsibilities: excellent knowledge and hands-on experience of advanced Excel are mandatory. Sound knowledge of Power BI, VBA, SQL, Snowflake and other DB structure. Power Apps experience and knowledge of programming language would be a plus. Design, build and deploy BI solutions. Should be able to transform existing non-Power BI reports into Power BI. Report transition and timely SOP updating. Cultivates and maintains working relationship with team members and proactive and zeal to outperform. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a Power BI analyst over here. And if I'll talk about technical skills for this job role, you need to have 2 to 5 years of experience in Power BI, Advanced Excel, VB or SQL, excellent communication skills, proven abilities to take initiatives and be innovative, analytical mind with a problem solving aptitude, translate business needs to technical specifications, and can work in metric driven systems and work independently with onshore as per requirement. So these are some technical skills for this job post. So basically you need to have experience in Power BI, Advanced Excel, VBA and Excel. And if you have such experience, you are okay with roles and responsibilities, then definitely you can apply for the job post. And you can get this link in the description box to apply for this job. Let's move to the second job. Company name is Corum, hiring for Power BI developer, experience 1 to 3 years, job location is in Pune, and they're offering you hybrid work model. Salary would be negotiable. Education, bachelor's degree in computer science, stats, mathematics or related field. Roles and responsibilities: collect, clean and validate data from various sources, perform exploratory data analysis to identify trends, patterns and anomalies, develop a statistical model and perform hypothesis testing to uncover insights, design, develop and implement BI solutions using industry standard tools and technologies, create interactive dashboards and reports to provide real-time insights, optimize BI system for performance and scalability, develop data models and schemas to support BI reporting and analysis, ensure data integrity and consistency across the organization, and optimize data structures for efficient querying and reporting. And if I talk about technical skills for this job post, you need to have strong analytical and problem solving skills, proficiency in data analysis and visualization tools like Python, SQL, Tableau, Power BI, experience with BI development tools and platforms, knowledge of data warehousing and ETL processes, excellent communication and interpersonal skills, experience with cloud-based data platforms, and knowledge of machine learning and artificial intelligence techniques. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a Power BI developer over here, and you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. Let's move to the third job. Company name is WRI India, hiring for Power BI developer, experience 1 to 3 years, job location is in Mumbai, salary will be discussed at the time of interview, education bachelor's degree in computer science or related professional degree. What you need to do as a Power BI developer over here is primary responsibility would be a solution development, maintenance and support based on platforms such as Power Platform, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, PVA, SharePoint online configuration and administration, collaborate with internal teams and third-party vendors to ensure data accuracy and consistency, monitor and troubleshoot integration issues, ensuring a timely resolution and minimal disruption to business operations, Further develop and maintain integration documentation, including technical specification and data mapping. Write PowerShell scripts to automate bulk jobs and schedule jobs. And develop concise and accurate project documentation, including design, chart, knowledge guidance, and operating procedures. And technical skills for the job post: experience in Microsoft 365, SharePoint, Teams, and Azure AD administration at the organization level. Experience in planning and development of enterprise solution involving a Microsoft 365 and Azure Active Directory services. Experience in building and executing PowerShell scripting for solution development. An expert in publishing reports on app.powerbi.com and setting up the necessary connection details and scheduling. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this job post. And if you want to apply for the job post, you can click on this link. You can apply for the job post, and this link you'll get in the description box of this video. Let's move to the fourth job. Company name is AVNET, hiring for business intelligence analyst. Experience 1 to 3 years. Job locations in Bangalore. Education bachelor's degree or equivalent experience from which comparable knowledge and job skills can be obtained. And pay scales would be 4 to 7 lakhs per annum. Roles and responsibilities: manage multiple concurrent reporting and analytical projects and task balancing quality and delivering to agreed service deadlines. Actively contributes ideas towards the ongoing improvement of the business intelligence and information management strategies, which include increasing automation, improving support, and enabling the business to self-service their reporting and analytical requirements. Good knowledge of database such as Oracle, MySQL, and SQL Server. Good knowledge of Microsoft SSRS and Power BI. To learn and understand the complex data sets and business logic rules used in order to produce meaningful and resourceful efficient. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a business intelligence analyst over here. And if I'll talk about technical skills, you need to have foundation knowledge of specialized discipline, industry practices, and standards acquired via academic instruction or live and work experience of substantially the same level. Develop solution to define tasks, typical assignments, and projects may be solved by the application of specialized foundation knowledge. Work is usually performed independently and requires the exercise of judgment and discretion, and collaborates with immediate management and team members within the department or function. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform and technical skills for this job post. And if you're comfortable with responsibilities and you have required technical skills, you can click on this link and you can apply for the job post. We'll move to the fifth job. Company name is RITE Software, hiring for Power BI developer. Experience 1 to 2 years. Job locations in Hyderabad. Education bachelor's or PG qualification in business, finance, or related field. Salary would be 5 to 7 lakhs per annum. Roles and responsibilities: perform detailed analysis of source system and source system data and data models that Power BI will leverage for reporting. Design and develop Power BI scripts to import data from source system and build Power BI dashboards to meet customer requirement. Interpret business requirement and technical specification and translate them into design directly with business users to define by deploying prototypes, wireframes in Power BI dashboards. Extracting, transforming, and loading data from multiple sources into Power BI applications. Use DEX to write customized logic for representing data in Power BI reports, and schedule dashboards for automated delivery of reports content to end users' device in physical locations. And design, create, and tune physical dashboards objects to optimize reports, dashboards, and performance. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a Power BI developer over here. And if I'll talk about technical skills for the job post, you need to have 1 year of experience, Power BI, Power Pivot, and Power Query. 1 year of SSIS experience and data modeling, analysis, design, testing, development, and implementation. And if you're good to go with the job post, you can click on this link and you can apply for the job post. Let's move to the sixth job. Company name is SEARCHUR College, hiring for reporting analyst, Power BI, experience 1 to 3 years. Job locations in Noida. Salary would be 4 to 7 lakhs per annum. Roles and responsibilities: experience with all phases of reporting lifecycle, ability to manage overall process from logging business requests through to their delivery into production, including specifications, prioritizing, and development, quality control. Strong analytical skills with the ability to collect, organize, and disseminate significant amount of information with attention to detail and accuracy. Work independently and part of team to design, develop, test, and implement dashboards, and manage and coordinate software releases from development, testing, and deployment to production. And if I talk about technical skills for the job post, 1 to 3 years of experience in developing dashboards and reports in Tableau or Power BI is a must. A strong SQL and database programming experience gained through either SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, and other relational database is a must. Technical expertise regarding data models, database design development, and excellent verbal and written communication skills. And if you are good to go with job post, you have required technical skills, you are okay with location, you can click on this link and you can apply for the job post. Seventh company in the list is Dboard Desktop, hiring for business intelligence analyst, experience 2 to 3 years, job locations in Hyderabad, education bachelor's degree required, and salary would be as per industry standards. Roles and responsibilities: works closely with supported functions to understand business priorities and KPIs, applies accepted metrics, methods, and tools to analyze appropriate datasets, contribute to the development and delivery of basic business intelligence work streams, including data synthesis and report generation, assist in efforts to develop and enhance data pipelines, workflows, and query based on large datasets, applies developed methods for identifying data patterns and trends in available information sources, assist with the technical design using object-oriented design techniques, assistance in measuring performance, increase efficiencies and tracking global key initiatives, and optimize the reporting for speed and efficiency. Clarify questions brought up the business leaders regarding the reporting. So these are some roles and responsibilities you need to perform as a business intelligence analyst. And if I talk about technical skills, you need to have minimum graduation, 2 to 4 years of relevant experience or equivalent combination of education and experience in business intelligence. Good business English skills, knowledge and advanced Excel, knowledge of VBA and Power BI is an added advantage. So basically, they are looking for an individual who has good experience in business intelligence, good in communication, and good in advanced Excel. And if you're comfortable with roles and responsibilities, job location, and required skills, you can click on this link and you can apply for the job post. Let's move to the eighth and final job of the day. Company name is AB Global, hiring for data analyst in site analytics. Experience 1 to 3 years. Job locations in Pune. Education BA or BS degree would be required. Experience in working closely with data should be demonstrated. Salary would be competitive. Roles and responsibilities: insights and analytics to responsible for developing tools, models, reports, and or analysis to answer key business questions and to enable improved productivity. We typically work in one of 4 specific areas: building data structure by converting raw data into useful, actionable information, conducting analysis at the request for partners, building report in Excel or in Power BI to enable our partners to have improved access to key data, and creating datasets to enable the creation of dashboards by our developing team. The candidate will help report to VP of Insights and will produce analytical deliverables to help measure and improve various business outcomes such as ABs, digital and offline marketing strategies. Key skills: you need to have very strong Excel competence, including advanced pivot tables, VLOOKUPs, and advanced formulas. Medium to extensive experience in SQL for extracting data from production tables. Familiarity with the following for analyzing data are Python, SAS, SPSS. Positive and constructive attitude and ability to quality review output of own work, focusing on accuracy, speed, and tenacity. And strong data acumen with the ability to understand the meaning of data and what it does or does not represent. So these are some roles and responsibilities and technical skills for this job post. And if you're good to go with the roles and responsibilities, job location, and you have required skills, then you can apply for the job post by clicking on this link. So friends, these are 8 jobs for this week for the role of Power BI developer and business intelligence analyst. I hope you like this video. Do press the like button if these jobs are helpful, and you can also share your feedback in the comment section, or you can reach me out through my mail ID. You can also share this video to your needy friends who are looking job for the role of Power BI developer or business intelligence, or looking any job role in data analyst, data science, or business analytics role. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.